At Riverbridge Village in Berlin, Mass, August 1st, 2016. This is field P4, which has been dug deeper. We're looking at bottom of excavation. All the unsuitable topsoil, subsoil has been removed. I was here previously and it was still part of the field that needed to get excavated. That's been done. The DEP's been out, witnessed that. They're okay with it. I'm okay with it. This here is field P2, I believe. You see here is going to be the corners of the chambers, and we got 5 feet beyond those stakes. That's the limit of remove and replace, removal of the unsuitable top and subsoil and replace with Title V fill. Here we're looking at field P3. This was approved last week, the end of July. And the last field that's left is field P1. As I'm making my way over, you'll see a stockpile of Title V fill right here. This is the expensive sandy fill that's well drained, that lets the liquid effluent seep through it and go back into the ground. There was some samples taken of this soil to make sure it conforms before it's put into the excavation. And here is the first field, P1. So this is basically the bottom of excavation inspection, and we are clear now, approved to put this sand, this Title V fill sand, into this excavation, and it'll probably be built up to about a foot higher than the ground I'm standing on now. And there'll be leaching chambers laid out on there and piping to support the flow going into those chambers. What we're looking at over here is the wastewater treatment plant that's going to be associated with the project. A bunch of tanks here. The building itself is not here. The piping is not here, but all these tanks have been installed. They're quite deep. They're going to be backfilled. These are the manhole covers that the finished grade is going to be at. So basically all this is going to be below ground. And there's going to be a building next to these tanks that's going to take water in and out of these tanks and treat it. And then eventually the water is going to get pumped. The treated water is going to get pumped into these 4 open leaching fields that are going to be covered with plastic chambers and ground and grass on top when it's done.